How to see hidden videos on YouTube playlist. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to find hidden or unavailable videos on your YouTube playlist, whether you are on iPhone, Android or a computer. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the YouTube, and once you have opened it, simply tap on the U button shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And here in this section you can see the option labeled as playlist. So simply tap on view all beside that, and from here simply select the playlist where you suspect hidden videos. And if there are hidden videos, you will see message at the top saying unavailable videos are hidden. And now let's make those hidden videos visible. So simply tap on the three dot icon shown in the top right corner of the screen, and from the drop down menu simply tap on show unavailable videos. And once you do that, the page will refresh and now you will see all the videos in the playlist including the hidden one. These videos may still be unplayable, but at least you can see their titles and details. And now you might be wondering, why are these videos hidden? The videos are hidden because it was set to private by creator, or it was deleted by the creator or YouTube, or the video is region restricted and no longer available in your country. Unfortunately, if a video is private, there is no way to watch it unless the creator makes it public again. So if you want to clean up your playlist, you can simply tap on three dot beside that video, and from the drop down menu you can simply tap on remove from like videos, and the video will disappear from your playlist. And this helps you to keep your playlist organized and free from unavailable content. And that's it. That's how you can see hidden videos on YouTube playlist. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.